So you've just inputted your data into NZGrapher and you've selected box plot and you've put your variable 1 in, which is your numeric variable, and you've put your categorical variable, variable 2, and then you get all plots for all the different categories. However, when we do our 1.10 internal, you only compare and contrast 2 categories. So what do you do when 3 pops up and you need to get rid of some? There's an easy solution. If you go up to the Sample and More option at the top of the page and click Sample, you can choose your category that you're looking at from the drop-down box. So in this case it was kiwi species. And then you have the number of samples for each species. So I've got 163 samples for great spotted kiwi, 275 samples for North Island brown, and 262 samples for Tokenau brown. So I want to get rid of the last variable. I just want to compare great spotted. So I want all the samples for great spotted, and I want all the samples for North Island brown. But the third one, I don't want to have that graph at all, so I can just put 0 there. And then when I sample, it takes out all of the samples that I didn't want. And now that leaves me with the 2 categories that I want to compare and contrast.